Can we start over? Okay, now we're here with healthcare. Let's see what we got for healthcare.
Okay, so for healthcare we have accelerated drug discovery. So for our drug discovery we have our Nvidia NeMo platform. Nvidia NeMo is LLM for chemistry and protein rather than LLM for natural languages like English. So in a normal drug screening process, we have models here for protein folding and molecule generation and also docking. So in a typical drug screening process, we would start with maybe say we have a new strain of COVID-19. We would take the COVID-19 main protease, and then once we have the amino acid sequence, we can then use the ESM model to run the folding rather than our traditional folding, which takes maybe days.
That was quick.
Yeah, seconds. And once you have the folded 3D protein, we can then generate a new drug for this protein to effectively block it. So we can take, here's an example, is Encitravir. This is an antiviral that's developed, that's already approved in Japan for use against COVID-19. So we're going to take this molecule, and then we're going to run this, and then we're going to get a bunch of molecules that are similar in chemical property to Encitravir. So then we can then take these molecules, which are all good drug candidates, and try to dock it against the COVID-19 protein. So then we'll go to our final diff-dock model. And then, so here's the Encitravir molecule. This is a protein from the COVID-19. And then once we click run, this one takes a few more seconds, but compared to traditional docking, it's still faster than that. Traditional docking usually takes days to run through a single dock, but we can already estimate the different poses here. So I'm just going to take the top one, and then you can see that this is how the drug would dock to the protein and effectively disable it.
So how big are these models?
These models, some of them are quite big, but I'm not actually sure how many parameters there are. But like ESM Fold is based on I believe it was BERT model. Moment is based on our MegaMobart model, and diff-dock is made by MRT. This is like the stable diffusion models that you see for generating images.
So we're not in the trillions of parameters, but definitely in the billions,
yeah.
The hundreds of billions
These,
possibly.
I believe, can run on fairly small GPUs,
really?
Something around 12 gigabytes of VRAM. Yeah.
Wow. That was impressive.
Right.
I would think, trying to model, chemicals and proteins and stuff like that would be almost more difficult than modeling the Earth.
It's similar to languages, so that's why the models can do it.
Yes.
Large language models.
It's structure prediction, but not a time series evolution.
No. This is
that's where the complexity comes in.
Yeah.